You are 24 years old. It is a Tuesday morning. Ordinary, nothing special about it. And then you see Paul. Paul is 41. He has worked at the company for 14 years. He makes $67,000 a year. He knows every person in the building. He knows where the good coffee is. He knows which printer works and which one you should avoid. But this morning, Paul is carrying a cardboard box. He walks slowly through the office. People look away. Nobody knows what to say. Someone gives him a small nod. Someone else suddenly finds their screen very interesting. By lunchtime, Paul is in the parking lot. By afternoon, his desk is already cleared. You feel something watching it happen, something uncomfortable, something you do not want to name. So you do what most people do. You tell yourself, that won't happen to me. After all, your job feels stable. Your offer letter even used the word stable more than once. That felt good when you signed it. It still feels good now. Sometimes people trust a system simply because it has not failed them yet. Life settles into a shape, Monday to Friday, same desk, same meetings, same coffee machine that makes a loud noise before it works. You learn how to survive the office. You learn who to reply all with and who to leave off the email. You learn how to sound busy, how to look useful, how to be present without being too visible. It is not a bad life. It is just a very predictable one. And every year, around review time, something good happens. You get a raise. Around 2.8%. The first time, it feels like real progress. You go out for dinner. You feel like things are moving. But rent moves too. Groceries move. Insurance moves. The price of everything keeps quietly rising around you. Your salary grows just enough to stop you from panicking, not enough to truly change anything. A steady paycheck can slowly make small progress feel bigger than it really is. You do not notice this for a while. That is the point. That is how it works. Now you are in your 30s. And something interesting has happened. You are good at this job, really good. You know the system. You know the process. You know which meetings matter and which ones are just people talking to feel useful. You get promoted. Your title changes. Maybe it says operations manager now. Your salary reaches around $69,000. From the outside, your life looks solid. Bills are paid on time. Retirement account is growing. You look responsible. But something else has been happening quietly. Your skills have been shaping themselves around this one place. You know the company's software. You know their rules. You know how to move inside their system, but you do not know what your life looks like outside it. When an idea comes to start something, to try something different, to take a real chance, there is a voice that answers before you can even finish the thought. You could lose everything. And so you stay. The longer someone stays comfortable, the harder uncertainty starts to feel. The ambition does not disappear all at once. It just gets quieter every year. Until one day, you stop noticing it is gone. You are 40 now. The company restructures, or gets bought, or optimizes. The word changes, but the feeling is the same. Something is shifting, and nobody will tell you exactly how much. People start disappearing from meetings, slowly at first, then faster. And then one morning, a calendar invite arrives in your inbox. 10 minutes later, everything is different. You sit in the car afterward and try to think clearly. You start adding things up in your head. Most of your savings are locked inside retirement, accounts you cannot touch for years. Your income only exists through this company. Your professional identity, the way you talk about yourself, the way you explain what you do, it all runs through this building. You spent years becoming very good at something, but that something only works in here. And the scariest part is not losing the job. The scariest part is realizing how much of yourself was wrapped around it without you ever deciding to let that happen. Sometimes the safest path becomes dangerous because you stop imagining any other path. You are 41 now. You are in the parking lot. There is a cardboard box in your hands. It is not heavy. That is almost the saddest part. 17 years, and it all fits in one box. People inside do not look out the window. The office continues. Someone is already scheduling a meeting in the room where your desk used to be. You stand there for a moment, and you think about Paul. You think about the 24-year-old version of yourself who watched him walk out and thought, "That won't happen to me." You were not wrong because you were careless. You were wrong because you trusted something without asking if it deserved that trust. You chose stability. Every single day you chose it. And stability chose you back until the day it did not. You did not lose your future in one day. It disappeared slowly, one comfortable year at a time.